JCB axles. Do you have a need for JCB axles? CIA Machinery has experience with JCB axles. CIA Machinery is a company that provides equipment and machinery to an ever-growing number of construction and equipment manufacturing companies around the world. A company that is built on a foundation of moral and ethical business practices, CIA takes an active role in donating to charity, and strives to better both the local and global community. We sell a wide variety of funk transmissions as well as parts for various units. Our extensive inventory allows us to meet your transmission needs with very little machine downtime. Go to www.ciamachinery.com for more info.